In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unshare multiple files from one user in Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove someone's access from a file and how to repeat the same process across as many files as you need. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account and that you either own the files or have permission to change sharing settings. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser and landing on the Home or My Drive view. If you have a lot of content, you can use the search bar or filters to quickly find the files you want to adjust. The method I'm about to show works the same for docs, sheets, slides, PDFs, and most other files stored in Drive. Click the file you want to update so it's selected. This highlights the file and reveals the sharing controls you'll need. Think of this as your template action. Once you complete the change for one file, you'll simply repeat it for each additional file you want to unshare from the same person. Next, click the Share button, which looks like a small person icon. This opens the sharing window where you'll see a list of people who currently have access to the file and their permission levels. Take a moment here to confirm you're editing the correct file and the correct person, especially if you collaborate with multiple contacts. Find the person you want to remove and click the permission drop-down next to their name, which may show editor, commenter, or viewer. From this menu, choose Remove Access. When you do this, that person will immediately lose their direct access to the file. This won't delete the file, and you can always re-add them later if needed. After removing access, click Save to confirm your changes. Some interfaces may show Done, but the idea is the same: apply and close. It's a good habit to glance back at the sharing list to ensure the person no longer appears. If they're gone, your change has been saved. To unshare multiple files from the same user, repeat this exact sequence. Select the next file, open Share, remove their access, and save. Working through your files systematically helps you stay organized and ensures nothing gets missed. As an extra tip, if a file was previously shared broadly via a link, confirm that link settings aren't set to allow anyone to view. Removing someone's direct access is most effective when link sharing is appropriately restricted. That's it. You've removed a user's access and learned how to apply the process across multiple files with confidence.